Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, December the 10th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open between 9 and 3 Eastern Time, and I share my screen, and I am live on the mic between 9 and 3. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. So today was a little more challenging, and I've got some work to do. Exciting work, though. I'm actually very excited about the auto trading, the entry of my watch list. But before I get into that, we had some spectacular winners from the AI today. Let me just show you. Fran, 12% as we speak, OSMT 6%, ENLC 5%, lots and lots of really good winners here. This DBI, this could really get interesting if it takes out 14. The Fran was really an awesome one though, because it was an earnings play, it gapped down, and there was the alert at 14.55, got all the way down to 11.51. That's an amazing, it's $3 on a $14 stock. I actually, I hate to say it, I scalped it in this area here. I was more concerned about my watch list, and I just want to show you a couple of things that happened. First of all, if you saw this yesterday, the watch list yesterday, virtually everything that I closed out was green. Now, one of the things that I'm, this is only the third day that I've actually been auto trading the entry from my watch list, okay? Now, yesterday, the market was kind of flat. It really didn't do too much. But today, the market started to move down not quite a bit, but enough that I think it certainly had an influence on all these early trades in, that's why a lot of these are negative, because if you look, a lot of them turned around. There's the CLVS 1130, it's 1211 now. There were a few others. This one 1686, it's 1823 now. This one I'm actually in on my own. The Flexion 12. I'm just trying to say that what I'm going to do tomorrow though is I'm probably going to put a delay of 10 minutes now before entering instead of 5 minutes. And in fact, somebody in the room looked at my everything yesterday, and they looked at it, on the 5-minute delay, 10-minute delay, and 15-minute delay on entering. They took it upon themselves to look at my watch list to see what would have happened. And it was very interesting. If 5 minutes, yes, you would have made something like $700, but if you waited 15 minutes, you would have made something like 650 or 620. Not that much difference. And, I always like waiting a little bit just to give the market time to settle down in that first 15 minutes. So the bottom line for me is that tomorrow, for sure, I'm not going to take any trades on the auto entry from my watch list until at least 10 minutes after the market opens. And I'm going to see what sort of effect that has, because a lot of them turned around. And there's no like another one, LMPX. These are all losses. There's 911, I got out at 870, but look at it now, 987. So these are all losses. Now I could have got back in each one of these. Put the alerts on each one of these and got back in, but it is a. I'm testing this, all right? I don't know what the magic number is in terms of waiting. Obviously, sometimes when you get in early and they keep running, you look at that and you go, oh man, I wish I got in early because look at this one, it kept running. But a lot of times they don't, in the first 5, 10, 15 minutes, stocks can go up and down like anything. And you can get kind of turfed out of position. So anyway, bottom line is yesterday it didn't really matter, but today it definitely mattered being a little early. So tomorrow I will put another 5-minute delay and just see what happens. So exciting though. I'm very excited about all this because it's a great focus then all day on just the watch list. And again, this is most of this is just simulated trading. I did do a few on my own, but most of this is just simulated trading and just testing to see how well, see if I can find that sweet spot of how long I should delay getting into these trades. Anyway, I do want to get back into the room and see if there's going to be any sort of late day breakout. So
ELOX.
I'm going to just close this down. If you have any questions about Brokerage Plus and all, you can certainly ask me and come into the room. I mean, that's what the room is for. It is a free room. People wonder, well, why is it free? Well, of course, we use that as a marketing tool. And so even if you're not a subscriber to Trade Ideas, or if you are a subscriber and you're kind of new, come into the room, ask me questions. I'm available all day long. Yes, I do trade my account, and if I'm really, really tied up, I'll let you know. But I mean, typically, I can always get to everybody's questions fairly quickly. So I will bring back the capture program and hope everybody has a great evening. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Bye bye.